How to keep your restaurant drains clean, a comprehensive guide. What is restaurant drains cleaning and why it matters? Restaurant drains and plumbing are essential to keeping your business running smoothly. Proper maintenance, cleaning, and unclogging of restaurant drains can save you time and money in the long run. With the help of modern technology, restaurant owners can easily and quickly maintain their drains and prevent costly repairs. 5 practical steps to achieve regular maintenance of restaurant drains. 1. Clogged drains. Clogged drains and blocked sinks are a common problem for commercial kitchens, but they don't have to be. Commercial grease trap cleaning services can help clear out any blockages in kitchen drains, pipes and sinks quickly and efficiently. With the use of powerful equipment and experienced technicians, these services can provide a reliable solution to all your plumbing problems. 2. The benefits of professional drain cleaners for restaurants. Are you looking for professional drain cleaners near you? Look no further. U.S. Janitorial Restaurant Drains Cleaning Services. We are the experts when it comes to clearing out clogged drains and ensuring your restaurant's plumbing system is running smoothly. With our specialized equipment and trained professionals, we provide efficient and reliable floor drains cleaning services that keep your restaurant safe and clean daily. 3. What are the best products for keeping restaurant drains clean? Cleaning surfaces can be a daunting task, especially when there are different types of cleaners on the market. Enzyme-based cleaners and caustic-based cleaners are 2 of the most popular options available. While both types of cleaners have their advantages, enzyme-based cleaners offer a more effective, eco-friendly solution that can quickly break down dirt and grime without emitting harsh fumes or leaving behind any residues. 4. Safety practices to follow when doing your own drain cleaning. Restaurant drains are essential for the proper functioning of any restaurant. Unfortunately, they are often neglected and can become clogged or damaged due to a lack of regular maintenance. To ensure your restaurant runs smoothly, it's important to follow some key safety tips for maintaining your drains. Regular cleaning, inspection and repair can help keep your drains free from debris and running properly. With these tips in mind, you can ensure that your kitchen is always safe and efficient. 5. Hiring professional cleaning company to maintain your floor drains daily. Keeping your floor drains clean and well maintained is an important part of any restaurant business. Hiring a professional cleaning company to take care of this task can save you time, money, and energy. U.S. Janitorial have the expertise of restaurants' daily maintenance and tools needed to quickly and efficiently remove dirt, debris, and other materials that can clog up drains. We are also using specialized products that are safe for use in residential or commercial buildings. Investing in regular maintenance with a professional cleaning company will help ensure your floor drains remain clear, allowing water to flow freely throughout your property. Keeping your restaurant drains clean is essential for the health and safety of your customers and staff. As a restaurant owner, it's important to remember that grease, food waste, and other debris can accumulate in the drain pipes over time. This can lead to clogs that cause odors, backups, or even flooding if not addressed quickly. Regularly cleaning your restaurant drains can help prevent these issues and ensure that your business runs smoothly. U.S. Janitorial, providing premier commercial restaurants cleaning services. Visit us at usjservices.com. Or give us a call at 1-800-210-6069 to learn more or to schedule an appointment. We will be more than happy to assist you.